Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can install WordPress on your IONOS hosting. First of all, you have to log into your IONOS account and then you will see this dashboard. If you are at any other place, then you can click on this menu button and you will see the same options. Here you can click on website and stores. On this page you will see your existing websites. If not, then you have to click on create a new website or store. Then here you can see a couple of options: create a website, sell online, add existing website. In our case, we are going to create a WordPress installation. So let's create a website. And here you have three options: website builder, WordPress and more, and web hosting and more. So as we are going to install WordPress, so click on WordPress. And below this you will see a recommended hosting plans. If you haven't purchased hosting so far, then you can select the one. Then you will see an option which says open source solution for your website with click and build. This option is if you have existing hosting. In my case, I have already a plan. So if you don't have any plan, then you have to choose the one. On this page we have to click on WordPress, as we are going to install WordPress. If you want to install any other, then you can select the one. I am going to install WordPress. And here you again see their recommendation, but you can ignore this and click on manage WordPress yourself. After that you have to give your project a name. In my case, I am going to name it tutorial. Then click on next. Here you have to create your username and password for the administrator so that you can log into your WP admin panel, and then click on next. And here you can select a domain. If you already have, you will see a list of domains. If you don't want to connect your domain and you want to use a temporary system domain, then you can click on this option. I am going to use a system domain. Then click on next. And here you have completed the requirements, and then now you have to click on install WordPress. Here you go, you can see WordPress is installing. This will take a few minutes, and after that your WordPress will be ready to use. Once the installation is completed, I will show you WordPress dashboard. Let's wait a few minutes. Congratulations, well done, you have successfully installed the application and our WordPress has been installed successfully. Here you can see the details about your website. And again, if you want to connect your domain, you can click on here select domain, or even you can click on these three dots and then change domain, and then you have to select the domain that you want to connect with your website. And if you want to log into your WordPress dashboard, you have to click on edit website, or even you can use the login credentials that you created while installing the WordPress. So here you can see we have to put our credentials and then click on register. And here you can see we have the WordPress dashboard. In my case, the language is German, so the page is translated to English, but you can change your language by going to settings. And then here you can see it has been selected German. It is also named as this one, and then click on English and then save changes. After that your language will be changed, and you can do anything you want to do in WordPress. In this video, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.